Day 12 of the postcode lottery and the Galaxy. This is not sponsored by the Galaxy or the postcode lottery, with the help of Alfie the Elf. So let's open day 12 of the calendars, see what we got. Right, day 12, Mick. Day 12. Where are we? Tops. It's a battle to get all these open. Like that. Stay. We got a Christmas present. A Christmas present. Right, mate? Right. Number 12 of the postcode lottery. Day 12. Here we go. Place to be. Provided one-to-one support to 1,150 children and young people with mental health problems. So the group Place to Be provided help for all them people with mental health problems. Mental health is a big issue everywhere in the world because people can't mix at the moment because of lockdown and tears, and you can't interact with people and this, that, the other. So yeah, good they got support with people with mental health, and hopefully many more will get help because I know a few people with it, and it's not very nice. Not me personally, but people what I've seen in general. Anyway, that was day 12 of the postcode lottery. You've been watching Alfie the Elf opening postcode lottery and the Galaxy, and you've been watching Mike's chat with the 4K eyebrow. Cheers.